Keep it on.
That's why I kept it up.
No.
I'm not gonna give you that.
Okay.
That's what they said they like.
Okay, Jefferson County Court at law number 2 is in session. Court is in session in 2 cases. Cause numbers 23CCCR 2057 and cause number 23CCCR 1874. Both cases are style the state of Texas versus Dan Parker or Dan Ivy Parker. Mr. Parker, is that your full name?
And Abby Parker the third, sir.
Okay. How are you doing, Mr. Parker?
I've been getting over the flu.
Okay, Mr. Parker, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Parker, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Mr. Parker, you may put your hand down. Now, Mr. Parker, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Christy Carlton. Attorney Carlton, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor.
Attorney Carlton, do you waive a record in Mr. Parker's case?
I do, Your Honor.
State is represented in this case by Attorney Erica Porter. Attorney Porter, how are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Now, Ms. Carlton, I have before me a motion. Is it just in one? Oh, it's in both cases.
Just in one thing.
Okay, I have a motion in one case, cause number 23CCCR 1874, and in this motion, you're asking for a competency evaluation, is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Now, Ms. Carlton, pursuant to Article 1.24 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, all trials and proceedings shall be public. However, pursuant to the case of Lilly versus State 365 Southwest 3rd 321, the right to public trial is not absolute and may be outweighed by other competing interests such as the non-disclosure of public information, interest in security, and that the defendant receives a fair trial. Are you requesting that this hearing be closed to the public to prevent the disclosure of non-public information?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay. The court finds that the party seeking to the closure has advanced an overriding interest that is likely to be prejudiced to the defendant in that it would disclose non-public information. The state also finds that the request is no broader than necessary to protect the defendant's interest. The court has considered alternative means, and the court make these findings. And at this time, this hearing will be closed to the public. So at this time, Ms. Bailey, would you please ask everyone except the